Today we got something very special, something rather exciting going on. We are at a downhill bike track. Let's go ahead and see. I'm expecting a lot of fun. Alright, on the lift now. How are you feeling?
Extreme sport. Extreme.
I gotta be honest, the bikes are hanging by the saddle. And it's a little unnerving, don't you think?
How is this possible? What source of gravity is it?
Yeah. Also, we're being followed by a drone. You ready for our first ride?
Let's do it!
Let's go! Woohoo! Whoa!
That was fun.
How were those first jumps?
That was fun.
That was dope.
Oh,
So good.
you're going so fast, man. How are you going fast with that camera in your mouth and also a hard fail? Shit.
Well. Oh shit. Bike, chain, fix. Let's go. Crash. Need a minute. I'm okay, but I need a minute.
Just the side.
Yeah.
How much shit did you eat?
Not that much. Could check the footage later. Oh, but I did feel it. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh shit! Alright, we're done. Storm is coming. I don't know, I had a lot of fun. Loading, disassembling the bikes now. What did you think of the last jumps?
Good, very good.
Oh, you had fun, huh?
Very nice. Very nice. No words. No comments, just fun.
I went down properly, like a real biker that has balls. Yeah, and it felt more jumpy than it was before. I think my ass is a great airbag as it is, so I'm able to go down certain segments of that track without actually standing up.